Hello and welcome to News 19. As the Delhi AQI level is getting worse day by day, the work mode there will be online. Let's have a look at the report. On Tuesday, Gurugram announced the implementation of work from home from all private institutions and corporate offices in the city starting November 20. The Delhi government has announced work from home for half of its employees amid severe air quality in the national capital. The government will hold a meeting at 1 pm today, discuss its implementation, Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai said on Wednesday. To reduce pollution, Delhi government decided to work from home in government offices. 50% employees will work from home. He wrote on Twitter, Gurugram announces work from home for all corporate offices. Gurugram has announced the implementation of work from home for all private institutions and corporate offices in the city starting November 20. In view of the directive from the Commission of Air Quality Management (NCR), all private institutions and corporate offices in Gurugram have been advised to implement 50% work from home policy starting 20th November 2024 until further notice. Read a notification issued by the Office of Deputy Commissioner of Gurugram. Delhi's AQI sees slight improvement. The air quality index in Delhi on Wednesday dropped to 424 from 488 at 9 am the previous day, but the air remained hazardous. On Monday, Delhi recorded its second worst air quality since 2015, and the air quality index at the same time was recorded at 484. The government implementation stage of 4 of the Graded Response Action Plan the same day. Amid a blame game between the ruling AAP and BJP, Delhi Government Minister Gopal Rai urged the centre to convene an emergency meeting to deal with the situation and approve including artificial rain over national capital. According to the Central Pollution Control Board, Monday's reading was the second worst air quality recorded since AQI tracking began in 2015. An AQI between 0 to 50 is considered good, 51 to 100 satisfactory, 101 to 200 moderate, 201 to 300 poor, 301 to 400 very poor, 401 to 450 severe and above 450 severe plus. At 4 pm on Tuesday, CPCB data recorded PM 2.5 level at 307, which was the prominent populate. The PM 2.5 particles which have a diameter of 2.5 micrometers or less, roughly with width of a human hair. That's all for now. Stay tuned and keep watching News 19.